Let's start a new project using the MIP library template. We'll name it Programmatic Login and click OK. In this example, we are using app.config as the storage for the credentials. This file can be edited if any of the information needs to be changed. In order for us to access the values from app.config, we need a reference to system.configuration. In program.cs, we are accessing the values from app.config using the Configuration Manager class, which is part of the system.configuration namespace. First, we need to remove some of the code that is generated by the template. We remove this bit of code, including the login dialog. Then we use a try-catch block to handle the login process. If the login fails, we display the appropriate exception in the catch blocks, depending on the type of the problem. Finally, we complete the code and run the application to make sure it works. As we can see, there is no login prompt, and we see the main application window, which indicates that the login succeeded.